You know, one of the fun parts of cycling is wearing cycling clothes. So if you love bike clothing like me, maybe this video is for you. One of my favorite brands is Cycology bike clothing. Not all cycling clothes are created equal. Getting a high quality fabric plays an important role of functionality while riding your bike. The ones that I wear pretty much all the time while riding are made of a technical synthetic fabric. They kind of have magical superpowers. They can have antibacterial protection, UV protection. The polyester fabric has the ability to wick away moisture, and the elastane fabric can stretch easily without losing its shape. They are breathable, water repellent, and even some of them have wind blocking properties. But because these fabrics have superpowers, I want my bike clothing to keep its colors and last longer. So how do you do that? How do you extend the life of your bike clothing? You just don't throw them in the washing machine. As soon as I finish a bike ride, I try to wash my bike clothing, but that's not really practical for everyone. If you don't have the time, don't just throw them into the laundry basket. Turn them inside out and air them out. When I'm ready to wash them, I zip all the zippers so they won't snag on other clothes. And I turn the clothing inside out. I turn my gloves inside out just to protect the beautiful colors in the print. You can wash them with other clothing, but I would avoid rough fabrics like denim because it's like washing them with sandpaper. Even towel lint might cling to the technical fabric. So I do use a laundry washing bag and put the jerseys in the bag, and I believe that will help them protect them more.
Don't use harsh detergents.
So you don't want to damage the wicking material because it helps keep the sweat on the surface to prevent it from soaking into your skin. It also will hurt the antibacterial properties, and it will destroy the fibers of the technical fabric. So never use bleach, stain remover. When I machine wash them, I always put it on a cold, gentle cycle. You can also wash them by hand too. So while we're waiting for the wash to finish, so let's go check out my favorite website. When you're choosing the size for your bike clothing, it really can be a challenging experience. It was for me. But if you take a small, it doesn't mean you take a small in bike clothing. They usually run really tight. I would size up. The best thing to do is to really look at the garment sizing chart that the website provides, and that can help you choose the correct size.
Sometimes I feel empty inside, and then other times my insides are turning.
Finally, they're done. So this step is a really important step. Don't put them in the dryer. So the heat will break the fibers in the elastane fabric, and that could cause them to become misshapen. You gotta line dry them. And also it helps save the print on the bike clothing.
Hope to see you riding.